welcome to the Mix Lovelies and Friends. And on the mix, we have Dwayne. And Dwayne is speaking about Kris and the situation that's surrounding Kris at the moment, or say the alleged situation that's surrounded him at the moment. So he is saying that, basically that Kris has came out to apologize to Keon because he doesn't want anything else to be, to come out on him. And so he's trying to hide other things. So basically, that's the reason why he came out to basically apologize to Keon. However, Keon did not keep that apology private. Keon posted that apology. Also, Dwayne was also speaking about Donna and the Planketarians, and he's saying, basically, they should keep their whatever to themselves because he's not looking validation from them. And so, for that, he's coming out to speak about Kris very, very soon in, on further details and with further details, basically. And he also mentioned Erica because he's saying that Erica said that he was unable to go to his mother's house. However, he was at his mother's house and he said he was under the weather, but he knew that his mom, who's a nurse, would have been able to assist him. So, guys, go ahead and go catch the video and hear what Dwayne has to say about the situation surrounding Kris. And remember to like, share, comment, subscribe to the channel, hit that notification bell so when I post, you know. And for all my lovelies out there celebrating their wonderful birthdays, happy, happy birthday. And I wish you joy, love, peace, happiness, and prosperity. And a long life, yes. Throughout this your year, all that you desire. And for all my other lovelies and my supporters, my subscribers, my family, my friends, whoever you may call me out there, have yourselves a beautiful, beautiful day today.
You damn police preggy. How do you feel? How do you feel? Broken Beth, how do you feel? How do you feel? Dwayne 99 blocked me because I told her she fall off. She has fall off, Alice. She has fall off. She knows she fall off too with her big back. Make she go away. Make she go with her. Hello, tell her to go Jai one Jim. Sharp. I look one big dino, one big plucky beer. Go away, girl. Yeah, you better fall off. You don't fall off good yet. You don't fall off damn good yet. You see if you're one big elephant, I'll never like you again. Look, me now diss you and class you. Federica, what go on, my girl? Federica, I hope you're watching the festivities. I hope you're watching the festivities. Hey, Federica, remember, who came out here? Who came out here and talked up something before? Remember? Remember? But because for the sake of peace, we say, all right. When we gonna take you back? Because of peace. Hello, I don't want a peace. I don't want no peace. I don't want no peace. Go ahead. I am not a PETO. I am not this. I can't write it. Hence why I don't want no damn peace. Go ahead. Keep your peace to your damn self. Read my comment. When you able to get this passa? You know, Federica, I swear to God, I wanna come live so badly, right? But like I have so much stuff going on right now. Hopefully I might be able to come tomorrow. I don't know. We'll see. If I do come tomorrow, I don't know. We'll see, my girl. But listen, whatever happens, we are gonna come live with it. We're gonna come live with it when I can. We'll come live. And if a 3D later, we'll come live. If a 4D later, we'll come live with that backside. Yes, even if it's 4 days later, we're coming live with it. Because we must have a say in it too. I don't know, say me. I have a lot to say too. I think along my police again this time. And this time I'm serious. We're not back down, guy. And if you chat too hard over there, I go right over TikTok, go draw a card for your backside. Don't think I don't know people who you are. Don't think I don't know people on TikTok here. Don't think I don't know people on TikTok. It's not well, but you know, listen, whatever happens, we're gonna come live. We're gonna come live. We have to come live. We have to have our say on this damn conversation. We have to. You know, I realize these people, they want you to suck up to them because they want you to validate them. I don't keep your damn validation. Planks, keep your validation too. And fake royals, keep it fake, you're not really royals, it makes you fake. Fake royals, keep your validation too. I don't want it. Go and give it to Bigfoot who's sucking up to all of you. God, I'm hungry. I'm not hungry. I'm in my mom's beautiful home right now. Right? Them say I can't come to my mother's house. That who said it? That boy. I never want to come. But today I had to come because I'm somewhat under the weather a little bit. And I need a nurse. Right? So who's best to look after my mother? Who is a fully RN? Who? Not she. Anyways, I am here for the festivities. Broken girl. How do you feel, broken girl? How do you feel? I hope you're enjoying yourself. You realize you can't come out? You realize you can't say A, B, or C? Yes, you might apologize to Keon. Is it true? He had no choice, but you know, why is he apologizing to Keon? Because he's afraid more comes out on him. But I promise you more will come. Keep running your gums. Keep doing the most over there. More will come. Karen, what's up? It's people nasty. I'm nasty because I'm not gonna lie. I'm not in the best of, like, you know. Yeah. I'm not in the best right now. So let's come off and laugh. We'll come on and go laugh 5 backside. You get what they don't get, it's too enough. With a big mouth. It's too damn enough. Rotting from inside out. Imagine. Rotting from inside out. What a damn controversy. Imagine. Oh God. You know, Federica, I would come live, but I don't have my Bluetooth box. I have nothing on me but my bag and some change of clothes, I think. That's it, nothing else. Everything else is at my home. But I'm gonna want to come style. You know, see Jamaican people. Well, not all of them, some of them. You know, I've realized we as Jamaicans, we are more quick to endorse people who do wrongs. Like big wrongs. Not little wrongs, but big wrongs. Than little wrongs. Like Donna's people and Kris people. True story. Without Donna, Kris would have been a nobody. Without Donna, Kris would have been a nobody. Let me say. Without Donna, he would have been a nobody. You hear me? I never wanted this. And I never came looking for this. I was happy post my little gossip. I was happy post my little gossip here. What, boss? What?
Thank you very much. I'm going up now, yeah?
Alright, good night.
Look, I'm more this way.
Alright, you too. Only I'm a stepfather. I'm a stepfather. Remember them say one. Okay. In fact, let me grab this phone. Remember them say. Let's see what one. Let me tell us a lie. Hold on. It's too dark. I didn't have my ring light. On the feel. How on the feel to know what going on? I mean, a liar. Oh, I was a liar. Oh, a lot of you drag me on the husband doing the most to me. For what? For who? Over there, so? I've been telling you, I had good reason why I'm never rate them long time, and I will never rate them. I will never, ever, ever rate them. You understand? My logics are always great and meaningful, unlike some other people, them nasty, dirty people who not fun about to know and push up a ladder and don't know about them. Or who's not damn thief, who's not scammer, is something else. P-E-D-O. Shit. I wanna style me. None of you dirty people can't style me. Cause style on the mother first. Style on the children second. And style on the self third. Never me. Never me. How do you feel, royals and planks? Donna, how do you feel to know that you endorse someone you knew nothing about? You endorse someone you knew nothing about. How, Donna, how, then again, you're not gonna feel like you don't have no shame. You don't feel no, because you yourself, Donna, you have no shame. You're shameless Jezebel. You're shameless hyena. I'm say God feel us box it down. God for box your mad brother too. It want to just get boxed down. Big dirty box down. For the two of you. What is cutlass? No own no house. Uno rap for make house. I wanna live on them cake pan. Wanna live on them cake pan. Hello? I'm at my mom's house. I'm at my mother's house. Yes, I'm at my mom's house. Where is my picture where I was in my suit? More shown. Most see by tomorrow. I'll take a picture and post it backside. I'm a professional. Always have been a damn professional. No go away. None of you only can't style me. None of you. Right. Or control people. Royce, how do you feel? Royce, how do you feel for not a cake pan is X, Y, and Z, A, B, C, right down to damn Z? How do you feel? I mean on the phone on the don't believe it. What if you don't? I got left for now. I don't want to say it. I don't want to say it. But you know what they should do it? What they should do it? Leave around them. Let's leave it right there. Can go them backside and fix it without 1 by 1, 2 by 2. So the phone on our charge. You serious? Well, I'm here charge the phone. Oh. It's a charge now. What is not going on, Michibu? A whole lot is going on. You know, girl. You know, I will go and go ask the royals and ask the nasty planks them what is going on. I'm sure they will fill you in. You don't have to hear nothing from me. Go and ask the royals and the planks what is going on. You see, birds of a feather tend to flock together. You see that? You see that now? One big what is called this. That is you. Is hey, I want to tell you to what in the night. I want to send you. I'm gonna maintain my steez and my character. Cause I don't worth it. None of you's worth it. None of you's damn worth it. None of you. None of them don't worth it. You're not worth it. What is cutlass? I want to come style people. I want to come cuss. I want them to tell me I dead when I are dead. Go away. You're soon blood. You're soon pitch over. You're soon pitch over. And teeth like on bedpost. I'm going to skin out my mouth and laugh. Oh, God of my pastor. How do you feel? How do you feel? Royals. I want to feel. Oh, fuck, I don't know. I don't forget. I don't forget here. You know, he should say thank you. I'm not at home because I'll be done coming out on this backside already. But I pray to God. Give me 2. But even if I 2 days later, Archie, I'm coming out. I am coming out. Wanna stay there. Don't play. Me, I come out. I don't business. I have to expose your backside too. And talk about things and go on my damn self. Go away. Go away. A company will not look. I would never have my damn company. But tell you no, put Kris and Donna together. The two of them cannot make one of me. And that me say, Listen, I'm a good citizen of the world. And God loves me. God loves me. You hear me? So I want to hate me. I don't care. Even your people who act like they're the flipping Holy Grail, put the one of them together too. They too can't make one of Dwayne Fletcher. They can't. I mean, look at me, no say me I glow. I look ugly too, no? I don't know why I was out about me turn on filter like my ugly. I don't know why I was out about me turn on filter. I'm looking at myself now. I look cute. Look up. Hey, Maureen did a great job. Maureen. What's my mother? What out this up? Wanna see her? With her degree in her hand. Go away. Go away.